2020 is coming to its end and still we are facing problems related to pandemic. I think throughout the year everyone has faced problems. Specifically the students who are going to enter the UG and PG programs as the freshers. I think the most interesting part of the start of the college is the induction programs which are held enthusiastically in the colleges. But because of this sudden pandemic situations, we are not able to conduct them this year. So we have come up with the SMP, that is the student mentorship program that will be online this year.
Since the online platform has put some barriers between the people in question, we've made sure that our mentors are fully equipped with the required skill set to interact with our freshers. We're doing so in collaboration with the We Listen NGO who will be guiding us along the way. And it's not just the academic problems of our mentees that we wish to tackle, but also the personal ones if and when they wish to share. We think it's essential for us to be something like a default friend of theirs, if I should call it so that they know that they're not alone in this, that we're here to listen and we're here to help them whenever they need us to.
We, the Social Welfare and Development of VIT Pune, have brought to a general proficiency activity called Student Mentorship Program, where the existing student will guide the fresher student in a friendly way. This activity also aims to increase interaction between the seniors and the fresher. In this activity, we will volunteer as a mentors for the freshers. There will be various activities which will be helpful and fun for the students.
When the students are in school, they are excited about their college life. However, this pandemic may have dampened their spirits. And what we are going to work on is getting the excitement back. And our main aim is to smoothen the transition from school to campus life, gear them up for a lot more that's in store for them, and make sure that all the necessary college resources are available easily to them. We wish to counsel our juniors and help them adapt to a new environment. And if they face any issues, then bring it to the notice of the concerned authorities.
Freshers miss out on many things as they are not well aware of all the activities going around in college. Here, the mentorship program will help them get through. Freshers will be introduced to all the college societies and clubs so that they can decide which society or club they want to join according to their interest. Freshers will get a comprehensive guide to apply to various scholarships in college. Freshers will also be guided about how to avoid the common mistakes students usually make in their first year. Basically, all the formal and informal queries will be answered so that freshers are ready to tackle all the challenges smoothly and make the college life really exciting and productive.
Due to COVID lockdown, there was uncertainty regarding various exams like JEE and MST-CET, due to which the students have to face various exam pressures, and there was a kind of fear, frustration and anxiety between them. As our actions has been restricted due to the COVID-imposed lockdown, now it's time to open up. And for that, the mentors become very helpful in the campus. They will give you an exposure towards the teaching and learning gap which has been generated due to this lockdown.
To ensure students are comfortable and get to know about each other, there will be a lot of fun games and activities through which they can interact. Another thing is, after joining the college, freshers have a lot of issues regarding the academics, so they can contact or connect with the seniors and get cleared with all their doubts. We seniors are always there to help the juniors.
We have a lot of activities rolled upon our sleeves for the freshers for this year, where we will make sure that they will know what their classes will look like, what the laboratory where they'll perform the experiments, where the library is, to the places they can hang out, and from where they can grab snacks from the campus and all those things. Then moving around, we'll introduce them to our very own club culture and all the pre-established clubs in our college, so that any of their budding interest or talent will not get unnoticed, so that they can find their own cherry pick according to their own intrigue. Not only that, we'll make sure that they will be felt welcome in these times where the social interaction is minimized.